Hi, we're here at NAB 2022 in North Hall, and we're speaking to Dan from Broadcast Bionics with a system called Camera One, part of their visual radio solutions. Hi Dan, how you doing? Tell us a bit more about Camera One.
Yeah, so Camera One is the second in our family of sort of more affordable software products that we describe as products that anyone can use and everyone can afford. So we're taking the stuff that we've done for a long time, in the upper echelons of radio, and we're making it really simple and really affordable. And visualization is something that lots of broadcasters want to do,
Absolutely.
but they've been put off by the idea it's either going to be really costly or really complicated. So here we're leveraging these really affordable little video switcher. This is the A10 Mini Pro.
And that's all the hardware you'll need?
That's the only hardware you need. Everything else is software. That's about $900. And that's for
pretty readily available,
cameras,
thankfully.
and widely available, off the shelf.
Yeah.
Incredibly popular with YouTubers. Great little box. But what we've said is there's a lot of power in there. Let's add the workflow that you might need in a professional radio studio. So a couple of HDMI cameras running into there. Here we're seeing some pre-recorded ISO video that we did at Absolute in the UK. But I can see I've got 4 cameras coming in and 3 different people speaking: the presenter, a guest, and a co-presenter. And you can see that right now, whoever's speaking is being brought into focus automatically, and you can see we're switching.
So you've got an auto switch option there.
And that's what Camera One is adding. It's, again, entirely in software. We're monitoring over the network the audio. So if you have Axia Livewire or WheatNet audio, then the software is able to just pick that up off the wire and automatically know who's speaking. Otherwise, a simple multi-channel sound card, plug it into your mixer or plug the microphones into that, and that information is used to trigger the mix. So we look at who's speaking now, how long since they last spoke, how many people are speaking concurrently, and this is making the decisions as to how to switch. That's on auto switch. If I come off, then manually on here I can then drive it myself.
Or on
or using the physical buttons in the studio. And that way, if I want to get a guest in the studio, I can focus on them,
guest reaction
or make that alternate reaction.
You might think it's coming up.
Typically what the broadcaster will do is leave that in auto switch, leave that in auto record, and then any time a fader is open in the studio with the microphone live, we are automatically switching and recording. As soon as they stop speaking, the video is available over here, so I can go through and look at all the different clips that we've done today.
Cool.
And then I can decide I want to share this on social media, so I pick a clip, I can then simply start playing through that, mark the in point where I want to start, mark the out point where I want to close, and just share that content. So very, very simple, all inside a web browser, so I can do this on my iPad, I can do it on my phone, or I can pop it up in a browser in a studio, because you don't need to look at this most of the time. It's just, oh, this was a funny link, okay, quickly pop it up, quickly crop it and share it.
Yeah, set it up and let it run. You've got obviously you've got enough to manage, but sitting as a nice complementary product alongside your Caller One, along your talk show software, then this does everything in the background. Have it on a different tab open.
And one useful feature we have is if I go back to these files, you'll see you've got 3 little icons here. The first one downloads a zip file, and that's actually got all of the ISOs of the cameras for you and an edit decision list that you can load into DaVinci Resolve. So then at that point, the camera edits that we just did automatically can be trimmed and adjusted if you want to move them, or you can just download the actual pre-switched file. So all this simple stuff is happening through a very affordable box, and yet you've got all those advanced capabilities. If you really want to post-produce something and add lots of extra graphics or move those edit points, you can do that in DaVinci Resolve, which is of course a fantastic free editor from Blackmagic as well.
From Blackmagic, of course, brilliant. Fantastic. Well, so if anyone has spotted this video after NAB 2022 and they can't make it to the show, where do we send them?
Yeah, we're just bionic.radio.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Dan. Thank you very much for watching. For the other 2 videos that we've done with Dan here at the show, please go onto the playlist and find them, and everything else that Kit Plus is doing at the show, go to kitplus.com. Thank you very much.